Yo, what up, guys? Welcome to XX Crypto. Alright, today we gonna talk about the alts because as you guys know, the alts it's having their moment. So if you guys can see here, so today we just gonna talk about alts. No Bitcoin, just alt, Solana, and everything. So what you guys should know. So the alts been performing really well because of it. And on my other channel, I've been talking about like if it trigger, shit will happen, guys. Shit will happen, which is alts will perform like crazy. But right now, I'm expecting for this on the daily to retrace, but expect some shock moment because there's still possibility like the dominance is going to hit a little bit higher, like 67 and 70. And let's say if that's happen, so that's your entry, guys. That's going to be your entry. That's going to be your entry. So okay, for this time, yeah, guys, 70, 60, and after that maybe that's going to be your entry. But if we don't go like that, we break straight 62 60%, and this major support is getting back at 60. If that happen, it's going to be crazy, guys. If that happens, it's going to be crazy. I mean, like, there is no more entry for you guys. There is none. There is none. So that's why in today we're gonna talk about like let's talk about it first. So I'm gonna use 2 weeks candle. All right. In 2 weeks candle, this thing's already like confirming. So this is one of my strategies. The power of four. 1, 2, 3, 4 is performing. So we can call this like as high as let's see, 100%, 180% confirmed. So that's more than 100. And if you guys seen here, we got like up sloping trend line that's going to break, which is the resistance. So if we close around here, we expect a little bit higher. And my gut telling me this resistance is going to be easy because we got rejected really hard in here with the big volume. So when we got rejected with the big volume, the next pump is going to happen with the big volume too. Remember, guys, that's the law of the trading. That's always happened, and that's the law of the trading. So if we got rejection with the big jumbo volume like this thing, guys, this is 2 weeks candle, yeah. This is not daily. I'm trying to zoom out so you guys can see the big picture what going to happen. So in here, after this consecutive red candle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 weeks candle. Wait. So 2 weeks. 2 week. This one candle is equal to 2 weeks. So we got 6. That's equal to 3 months. 3 month reds. So if we can go as high as here before 3 months, the power will be like crazy, guys, like crazy. So I mean, like, how crazy? I mean, like, if it you guys just pick all your favorite layer too, or even like meme that available on ERC20, which is like the Ethereum. So my first target, if this thing break 6,400 is 1382, next 7,200, and the next 8395, which is it's kind of line up with this up sloping trend line, and which is this is the X. So we might call this the scene of the crime. So this is the scene of the crime. Look at it. All right. Look at where Demi up 8,000, and next and next. But before that, we have to try to break this up sloping trend line. We have to. Guy, when we straight go here, we might get rejected a little bit and maybe go straight again. So market not, remember, guys, the market is not always up only. No. It's not like that. It like a healthy pullback retracement like we are having this week. So if that happen, it might follow the Bitcoin price, just even zero. And let's go for another arts like ADA. Let's check ADA. So what's happened on ADA? So ADA on the 2 weeks candle, I mean like the 2 weeks chart, it's making a parallel channel, which is that's good. That's actually that's good. That's good. I mean like as long this parallel is not breaking, it will keep grinding like this. So it will keep grinding. Look at break. It will keep grinding, and up and up and up and up and up until it break down. Until it break down. So ADA is kind of strong for now because it's making like rising wedge. So the rising wedge actually is bearish candle, but the rising wedge will keep rising as long it didn't break the support. So as long as it's fine, it will keep rising. So this is one of my favorite bearish chart pattern that I love to use the for buying, for longing, and because when people saw this, I mean like people saw it as a bearish candle, bearish pattern, right? But me, I'm gonna say it as a bullish because as long as it's not breaking, we're fine. We're fine unless it's breaking and crash the major support. That's gonna be a problem. But as long that's for ADA. ADA looks good. AVAX. This has been one of the one that not performing yet. So AVAX got okay. It's almost break around last year on December 2 and November 25th, but it got force break in here. Why I call it force break? So if you guys look at 2 weeks candle break, one candle confirm, and then coming back in, another force break. So this is like it's stupid manipulation, but it's not gonna do like this forever. But when this thing is break, it's going to break like crazy, as high as this resistance. And remember guys, all the odds is going to pump. All the odds is going to pump. Just one problem, guys. Just one problem. The problem is, are they going to have another higher high or higher low? That's the problem. That's the only problem. If they can break the resistance of the previous high, there is no resistance, and we never know like what's going to happen. All I can calculate is the volume, the fips, the circulate supply. So if the resistance break, sky is no limit. Sky is no limit, guys. I mean like, so we got Ondo too. Ondo looks fine. So I'm gonna give you guys a clean chart. I was supposed to think Ondo is going to coming back here, but look from here, it's not going to happen. Look nice with the one lower low, this one, okay, high. So the next pump, it's going to be like, so I'm gonna put the Ondo like another higher high. So Ondo, I'm expecting this is the bottom for Ondo. Quite good for Ondo, to be honest, quite good. And if you guys clearly on the 3 days, we got falling wedge in here, which is the bullish chart pattern, and we got strong support in here too. We really got strong support. So the next target for Ondo, see this pattern, 1, 2 pivot, and the next pivot we're going to hit around here, around like as high as 28. All right, if you guys, so let's check like what is lined up with the fips, and we can know what is the price. And so this is the price, and this is the scene of the grind. So Ondo, the next target, if break the previous high, 2.7, and sky no limit after that. So that's for Ondo. And today we're gonna talk about up. So you guys, so the viewer is not blindly buying some alts and just like randoming buying, because if you guys randoming buying, it's some kind of gambling, guys. Some kind of gambling. So if you guys know where to buy, where is the cheapest price, where's the exit plan. So here what my advice is: if you're buying some shit, you have to know where is the exit, and you have always need an exit plan, because if not, you're gonna stuck. You're gonna stuck, guys. Trust me, you're gonna stuck. So for Sol is kinda tricky. False break in here, but look at the support here. It's quite good. So Sol need to make another higher high. If not, it's going to be dangerous, guys, for Sol. It's going to be dangerous. Why? Uh, because I don't think there's not much for Sol. Maybe can as high as 500 or 600, because this thing is already like front run everyone during the bear market around here. So if you guys check the pattern here, maybe for Sol is only another one big spike left. So this one big spike left have to crash this support on RSI. If that happen, break this down sloping trend line, break the RSI, break the 66.72. If that happen, you can see like Sol 500, 600, or even like 1,000. But until then, we still level headed, guys. Stay level headed. I mean, like, just chill. And this is the Aptos, the one that's still not performing. So if you guys ask me like why I'm using 2 weeks, because like, guys, you because people is always saw a small picture only, which is like 1 hour, 4 hour daily. I mean, like, for investment, for buying spot, I'm using like 2 weeks, as high as monthly, 3 months. I mean, like, or even like a year, because like all we want to know like what's going on the big time frame. Because like, if the big time frame doesn't give you like any confirmation yet, so small time frame is going to be like stuck like nothing. So look in here, Aptos giving like confirmation. This is the support, and this is look at this. This is liquid grab, guys. Liquid grab in here, and then liquid grab in here. So I think Aptos is ready. It's ready to pump. It's ready to pump. All right. So Aptos down sloping trend line in here. So the next retest in here is going to be huge. It's going to be huge, and this thing is going to be like break like crazy. Like I mean, like, as high as 130. It's going to be take this area, all right? And we got the previous high 20, and if that break 29, that's for Aptos, guys. So if you guys ask me like, am I too late? No, nah, guys. If you love Aptos, you guys still not too late for Aptos. So this is Aptos, and let's check Injective. So this is one of the worst performing 2025. It was to be good on 2023 because Injective was still new narrative, the Cosmos ecosystem. But I think this thing will wake up, because look at what they have done to Injective. I mean, like, almost 90%, guys. This is fucked up, and it looks good. It's confirmed the power of 4. It confirmed here. It confirmed here, and then like, if we can get hold of the retracement, which is, let's see, for the retracement as 11, or maybe not, because on a small time frame, like maybe like from here to here, it's already happening on the daily. So looks like going to bounce. And excuse me, we got inverse head and shoulder here. left shoulder. Sorry guys, drinks. Left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. So this is going to be good. This is going to be good. The inverse head and shoulder, and looks like it's complete. And it became rectangle right now. It became rectangle. So rectangle is like a box. Rectangle is like a box. So rectangle is kind of dangerous, guys. If the box doesn't have a support or resistance, but it's always have a support resistance, which is like I'm gonna show you. And we got the upsloping trend line too. So since we are in the rectangle, look at this. The resistance, the support is kind of like far. But don't forget about the upsloping trend line as a support. This one as a major one. If we can break this, might perform like it might perform the falling wedge on the weekly. It might perform. You say the weekly, we are still early, guys. Still not complete the falling wedge. So one pattern is complete when it break with the volumes. But it's still we still early, guys. We still early, to be honest. I mean, like, don't be late. Don't be late. We still early, guys. We still early, to be honest. So if this thing going to run, I think this thing is going to be like crazy, like so crazy, so crazy. We because of the pattern, like they've been making like the grinding. The losses of the people like here keep longing, keep short, and I think it's time to rise, which is in the next 2-3 months. You can see this thing is going to break, and if this thing hit the previous high, which is around 53.26, it's going to hit like at least 70, or even 95, or even like 100. So look at the 100. So everything is lined up with. So every flips, it's lined up with the upsloping trend line here. If you guys see here, it's lined up with the upsloping trend line. Oh, sorry, I move it. So either one of these is going to hit. I'm sure either one of these is going to be hit. So injective, don't sleep on injective, guys, because this is a good project. So either one of these is going to be hit. That's simple. That's simple. TA is about like it's like playing puzzle. So you have to know like which puzzle like we gonna use to complete the whole or something. So alright, so next we got chain link. So what's happened on chain link right now? Start from the daily, upsloping trend line, lower low, lower high. That's good. Higher high, lower high. So as long this thing hold on the daily, it's going to rise again. And on the weekly, upsloping trend line, got more resistance, got support too, big support. So it's kind of hard to break the support. And down sloping trend line on here. So if chaining break this down sloping trend line, which is might soon, the next target 38, 31. Right, this is the closest target. The short-term target 38, 31, which is going to be play out maybe like faster than you think, or maybe not. Let's see about June, because everyone predict like June is going to be bearish, but I don't know, guys. If everyone like predict like June is going to be bearish, like I'm gonna keep longing. If everyone, because like when the hertz told you like it's going to be bearish, I'm gonna keep longing. But if the herd is going to be like bullish, I'm gonna like, oh, okay, maybe we chill out. Maybe we gonna see another pullback. So in here right now, chain link still need homework to do. A lot of homework to do, like injective. And if that happens, 53 on the previous high, and as high as maybe like 100 or 90, that's for chain link. So how about near protocol? Oh, this is nice. But down sloping trend line still look weak, but we got support to in here for near. And if you guys don't know, like I graduate from verified investing, and this is what Get Soloway taught me. So near is kind of hard. Need a big volume to break this. If not, it's going to be bouncing here. So near is kind of hard. So the first spike or the second spike need need to break this. All right, and take out the highs and stay the highs. Stay the highs like this, because in here the near got a false break. All right, guys. So this is for near, and one of the strongest one is Sui. This is the one that I'm longing right now. Swiss been good, been a good boy. It's very strong boy. Very strong boy. So Sui is having some kind of pullback on the support, and it was resistant and trying to hold on the 2 weeks time frame. And if this thing can hold, we're gonna expect another higher high, as high as 7. The closest one is 7 for Sui. 6.8. Sorry, my bad. 6.8, 7.8, and we got 10. We got 22. So this is one of the strongest one. One of the strongest ones. So how about Stellar Lumens? Guys, if you guys don't know, I've been in crypto since cycle 1, and I've been blessed with crypto, and I've been blessed. I've been really blessed with crypto. So this is one of my weapon in 2017, Stellar Lumens. So this is one of my weapon. And can this thing perform? Maybe yes, maybe no. But this thing not having a higher high for 3 cycle since the XRP shit happening. Alright. But since the XRP won, alright, it might this time for Stellar Lumen to ripping, because this was a top 10. This was a top 10, guys. This was a top 10. I mean, like, back then, line up with it, LTC, Doge, Monero, XRP. This was so. But the problem is, we got a lot of new stuff, new narrative. That's why, like, people forgot about the like the Dino. That's why we call it the Dino. And if we can go ripping from here, still possible we can go like 1 or 2.4. So another 7x from here. But for futures, quite good. But for investment, I'm not sure. For investment, we have to buy like actually from the bear market. The bear market it's your best entry actually. The bear market is, but we never know. Some coins are pulling back. Okay, we got Tau, Bitensor. This is AI. We got looking great with the spike. Looking great with the spike down. And look like going to make a elite wave in here. Oh, this is still the first. To be honest, this is still the first. A huge first wave in here. Huge first wave. Huge first wave. No. Huge first wave. So Bitensor might still have a probability of the impulsive of the third. So Bitensor, don't slip off Bitensor. Could be like this. Yeah, could be like this on Bitensor. Could be like this, and smallest 5. The 5th may be here, maybe here. So we still can see Bitensor around like 1,000, probably 1,000, 1,004, 1,006 for Bitensor. So from down here, it's still early, second floor. But we never know, guys. We never know, because the third is the impulsive one. If the third can go straight to the 224, so that means the fourth wave is going to retrace around 1618, and the next maybe like can go like 2,000 or something. We never know, guys. We never know. That's why like I don't want to give you guys prediction like until like 50x, 100x. Nah. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not psychic, and I'm not crazy like most people. Like, oh, Bitcoin is going to hit like 500k, but in another 10 years or 2060. I mean, like, nah, stupid, guys. Fucking stupid. I mean, like, just talk. But now, because we are at the fourth cycle, which is the cycle of the ETF, and we have to be careful because ETF, I know even like ETF got more money from the Wall Street, but when we got normal alt season or the rally season, everything is going to be fucking dry, guys. Look at stock market. Stock market is only moving like 2 or even like the highest is 2%. So Bitcoin next time, guys, in the next bear market, Bitcoin I think is going to be like only ranging like less than 1%, to be honest. I mean, because the more volume, the more money it's in, it's not gonna happen like easily 1%, easily 2%. Back then on 2017, it's easy for Bitcoin to move like for ranging between 5 into 10% is easy. But now it's more harder, guys. It's more harder with the mining happening, less mining, and all those shit. So I also play meme, guys. I fucking love meme. So let's play meme. This is looking good on Pepe. I love Pepe. One of my favorite memes for this cycle. And for those who don't know, I bought Pepe from Dex. I know from my friend, and he told me like, "Hey dude, this is good. This is good. Okay, I trust you." I bought it and been blessed for Pepe. And look at this Pepe. Break this, and it's holding well. It's holding well for Pepe. All right. So Pepe, this is could be like some retrace for Pepe, but if Pepe can grinding on the small time frame and break this thing, okay, we might see another spike in here. We might see another spike in here for Pepe. That's for Pepe. And this is the resistance. Yeah, this is the resistance. This was the resistance. Yeah, we might see. So Pepe might grinding here. Pepe might grinding. So if break, maybe you can retest the support. If not, we test this. So Pepe is either this or this. Go big or go nothing. This is for Pepe. So we are stuck at the middle. So we call it the equilibrium zone. And this is for Pepe. And if high as here, we can go as high as 100% from here. That's good. That's a good for futures, but for spot, I don't know, guys. Maybe you can go like as high as fuck, maybe like 5, 7, like dot. I don't know. But it looks good. Looks good on Pepe. But if you guys ask me like the crazy prediction, I'm gonna like give you guys like the crazy prediction. Okay, I'm gonna use monthly. Alright, I'm gonna spike here to here. Because most of the meme it's already no more unlock. Most of them they already released everything, so that's quite good. So maybe we can go as high as 5 or 3.61 around here, which is I don't want to tell you. I don't want to be crazy like prediction. Nah, I'm not gonna do that. And next, well, let's talk about WIF. That we've had it's quite strong manipulation zone in here. A support break coming back here, break down on the daily, looking strong for week. For WIF on the 3 days, looking like scalp in here, looking strong. 12-hour looking strong. Low, high, low. And the next resistance is going to be around here. So WIF need to break 1.8, and we can go like in here, 2.5. Next 4.8. That's 4 wave. Still a lot to go. So that we've had, don't sleep on this because this thing been top performance lately, and even lately. So don't forget about layer 2, and this is one of my lovely Lido. I don't know why. This is one of my lovely Lido. Uh, talk about 2 weeks. All right. This is the lows since the bear market. No. Yeah, the bear market December. This is the low. Almost hit the lows, but most of them is already. But this thing is already confirmed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Confirmed with the 100% probability in here. Start from this down sloping trend line. It's already break, I think. Or it's not. It was tough resistance, guys. It was tough resistance for Lido. It was tough resistance. But this thing is strong. This thing is strong as hell. This is strong as hell. But this is a ticking time bomb, guys. This is a ticking time bomb. When this thing break, oh my god. Easily 7, easily 5, easily 5. But let's talk about like the closest one first in here, which is 3 for Lido, 5, 7, and after that, I don't know, guys. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe 14, maybe 10. Yes, 10 possible, 11 possible, 15 possible. So don't sleep on Lido. This is new toy, LDO, DeFi, and layer 2. When this happen, break. But I don't know. Let's see. So don't sleep on Lido, yeah. And what else? We got. Let's check LTC, Litecoin. How about Litecoin? This is Dino too, but and Charlie is not here anymore. So I don't think this thing can make another higher high, because this thing a bit like that it used to be called like the silver of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin was the gold, LTC was the silver. They both can be mining. So oh my god, what's wrong with the crash? What the while we wait, I'm gonna go to ABTC. Let's check for ABTC, because we need to know what's going on ABTC, guys. We need to know what's going on. So I love this chart so much. Okay, I'm gonna close everything. Yes. All right. I love this chart so much. Why? Because this chart is been here since this one. I've been making. If you guys don't know, I've been trade for fucking so long. So from here, retrace, from this high, retrace going high, and then from this, retrace. And this is the biggest retrace ever. So the party of it start when it break the flags, the resistance flags, which is from here, the resistance flag coming back up, crazy like shit. From here, coming back down, went back down. I'm gonna use monthly so you guys easily to see. All right, the monthly is like this, coming back here, and we break the resistance. The up only. But now, us right now need to break dot 4064. 04064, which is right here. So if you think this thing happen, this is the party. But we got one problem. First, there is a lot of alts. There is a lot of dominance. Maybe it only can go as high as here. But if this thing can break double tops or even high. But it's kind of like mission impossible, but still possible, because right now we got so many DOMs. So many arts equals so many DOMs. We got Aave DOMs, Maker DOMs, Doge DOM, and all the dominants have to split between all the alts. Even like the meme or the shit coin have to be split. That's why like it's kind of hard to get the DOM as high as, I don't know, the 8 DOM as high as 14 perhaps for it. Kind of hard, guys. It's kind of hard. But if 14 can break, 30. So if 14 can break, the 8 BTC also can go for uh the previous high. But until then, we got resistance on 14 for 8 dominance, and we also got, where's my fucking 8 BTC resistance around dot 06. So it's going to be like a hell. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Let's see. Since ETF, maybe we're going to be different. A lot of money. Maybe you can break. Left the others. That's why I'm still focusing on it. Still got more rooms to go. You should too. Still got more rooms to go. Remember, guys, this is 8 BTC. And this 8 Ethereum still got more rooms to go. So that's why, like, I don't focus on Solana. I only focus on it. I've been told everyone, like focus on it, guys. Focus on fucking it. I mean, like, who been performing like really well lately? ATS5, Aegon, all the 8 kids. That's why, guys, don't sleep on it, on the 8 ecosystem. Always don't sleep on 8 ecosystem. Let's see, ETH5. Still new, but looking strong. Look at this. This is what happened. May. So May low from here, it's already performing like 2x. That's why, guys, don't sleep on it. Remember, don't sleep on it. Don't sleep on it because it will. So today out's quite good. So the next time on X Crypto, I'm gonna teach you guys how to open position on futures and others. But today we're gonna talk only about alts and some guide for you guys where to buy, where to sell, where's the entry, and I'm gonna use Max. I love Max chart. It's good. The Max chart is good because you got. Let's go for Caspa. I love Caspa too. Let's go for Caspa. So Caspa has been strong on the 1 hour on the daily chart. Look like this. Okay. Connected. Bam. So Caspa. It's quite strong lately. Alright. Remember this, guys. It's almost break. Okay, we got false break in here. We got fucking false break. And it's almost break. And when this break, keep grinding. Up. Take the resistance. Or maybe just going to resistance. Coming back here. Or making base. But it look like this will look like a supply and demand system. Rally base, and base, rally. So maybe it can be break by base. So if this thing can like keep grinding here, bam, going to be break. So Caspa, don't sleep on fucking Caspa, guys. Caspa, this is one of my toys. I love these toys. So if Caspa can break, break here, coming here, 26 cent, 34, 39. After that, I don't know. Maybe it can go blow off top or doing some crazy stuff. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Let's see. We got what else? Let's go for Bong. Let's go for Bong. Bong is quiet. It's quiet lately. Shit, Bong. It's quiet. So, Bong. This one. Root triangle in here. So the next for Bong. This one. 0003553. This is the next for Bong. If that, this high, or maybe another high. Because it's hard to calculate meme, guys. It's really hard. Sometimes there is no, just thinking meme like there is no resistance on meme when it blow off top. It's really hard. It's really hard to calculate meme. It's really hard. So I got another 10 minute and or 5 minute, and maybe this is like the last one or two, and I'm gonna end the stream and I'm gonna back next week. So this has been good lately. So syrup, it's been good lately. Yeah, it's quite good lately. Syrup, the maple story, that Dex Finance. So the 8 hour is make grinding here. Okay. Kind of resistant in here. Soil as resistance. Soil as resistance. Support. Another support in here. So for the maple, but this is the support. It's quite strong. So, but this is still new coin, guys. I know some new coin is hyping right now. But be careful, guys. Some new coin might try to drops, finding the new low before they high. So this thing is kind of dangerous because I know this thing has been hype, so it might be try to find lower low or maybe a lower high. I don't know, or high low. I don't know. So if that happen, or maybe like go straight up. So some coin it might go straight up. So this is for syrups. I've been a good boy in the past 2 months, I think. And what else? Fat. Let's go for AI. I hate this coin. Scam coin. Fucking scam coin. Yeah. Scam. Told this is stupid coin. But remember, guys, everything can pump. But the problem for fat, it's already making another already high here before everyone else. So I'm gonna give you guys bold prediction. This time might be only double top or just a liquid grabs, because I don't think this. I know this project there's no follow in it. I still prefer ICP and fills. I know this project has been inflation or something like that, but guys, everything is going to pump. Just the problem is when some coin slips, it will go hard like crazy, guys. It will go hard like crazy. But this thing, I know this thing been sleep for so long. I know this thing has been sleep for so long. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys the real feel, the real feel on this one, the real feel. Okay. This is the 2017 high, the second cycle, the third cycle, 21 cycle, and it was as low as here, and people like underestimate this shit. I still remember people underestimate this shit, and let's say we don't need to try to target like the previous high, just half of it at least. 35x. God damn it, guys. I mean like I don't see a value of a coin like, oh, this project is good. Fuck, man. Okay, I'm looking. This project is good, but how good you gonna give me like the PNL? I'm fucking greedy, guys. I'm fucking greedy. I mean like I'm fucking greedy. So how good you gonna give me PNL? If you're just gonna give you like 5x, 6x, fuck no. Even like I can calculate like the project give you guys 6x, 5x. Nah. And we have to wait another like 4 years to have another like season. Nah, I'm just gonna be degen and find the good value, which is, if this thing like only half, at least 35x, guys. I'm fine with 35x. I'm fine with 35x, or maybe like not even like half, but just a quarter of it. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. What is it now? Is here? Oh, is here? 30x. I'm fine with 30x. So half is 40x. I'm fine with 40x. I'm fine with 30x, 35x, and the rest just bonus. If maybe can go high or maybe no. Same like ICP. Same shit. Same shit. I still think this project is undervalued. It's cheap. So I don't want to buy the project. It's that fucking expensive. Even like the project is good. So even half. No need to half. Just coming here. Shit. Just 87. 20x. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's good. Or just coming here. Just coming here. It's coming here. 3x. Resistance. 5x. Easy 5x. Easy 5x. I mean, like, top 10 still got billions. Why not? Sorry, top 100 still got billions. Why not? That simple. And Illuviums. One of the good game by Aussie. So this is Australian developers. So Illuviums. Because if you guys don't know, I'm also a trader and gamers, and I play a lot of blockchain games. Play to earn, play NFT and all that shit, and it's been sleeping. But I don't know if this project is going to rise or not, but let's see. And this is the last. Alright. All I can say, this is scam, and I don't think this is going to, maybe can rise to try to take the resistance. Maybe. And this is some kind of Luna. This is scam. Fuck. This is scam. It will take long to recover for this. It will take long. But let's see. Maybe I'm wrong. I'm not a guy, guys. Maybe I'm wrong. But from what I see in here, this is the definition of fucking rock pool, guys. One big candle slash down. This is the definition of fucking rock pool. If slow bleed, still going up again. But right now, look at this. No one buying this shit. But maybe can. If they can fix the problem, maybe can. I don't know, guys, because these things are it's performing too well. So when the coin is performing too well, it needs to retracement, like very fucking deep. Which is, can it go up again? Maybe yes, maybe no, because it's already performed, and people maybe look for another opportunity, the one that's still not performing. So remember, guys, my advice is look for the cheap coin, the one that still give you like the gain at least like 5-10. If the coin is already expensive, nah, skip it, guys. Don't be like oh, I love this coin, I want to buy this, I want to have this. You can, but the timing is you have to buy that on the bear market, which is it's already past fucking 2 years. 2020 it's already passed, and 3 years, and right now 2025 it's already past 3 years, so you guys too late. So right now you see a good project, big market cap, like a billion market cap is quite huge for crypto. So if you guys can see that, a good value, and maybe like you don't need a long wait to TP lah. It's gonna be easy to 10, 15. No need to go to all-time high or something like that. 10x is enough. Like feel SP, and if you guys saw that, just buy it. If you guys see that, you just buy it. Alright, guys. I'm gonna have a live stream on X Crypto next week. So thank you for watching, guys. Until next time, and ciao.